Today I'm going to be looking at this canvas repair fabric. Our outdoor umbrella has some areas that look like they're about to tear. This spot here actually already has a little hole. This is all that comes in the box and it's super easy to install. There's just an adhesive backing here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install it and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. All you need for this project is a pair of scissors. This cuts really easy, so I just cut a couple of pieces that were a little bit larger than where I want to repair the fabric. The goal here is just to give it some extra strength. The back is sticky, so you're just going to put it right over top of the weak spot and press down. And that's that. There were 3 spots that I was really concerned with, so I covered those up with the fabric, and it doesn't match exactly because this is a very old umbrella, but it looks fine. I mean, it doesn't bother me one bit to have the patches there, and if we can get some extra months out of this, I'm happy with it. If you have outdoor pieces of furniture or accessories like this umbrella that have spots that look like they're going to tear, I would highly recommend this repair fabric. It was super easy. It took me like less than a minute to put it on there.